Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how to remove the unwanted object from the video on the CapCut. Here I already have the dummy clip to use as the video, and I would like to try to remove the person inside of this video. Just tap into the video clip and slide this video into the left side until you find the duplicate tools, because we need to make a duplicate clip here. Then make this duplicate clip become an overlay clip. Drag this overlay clip so that they will have the same duration with the original or primary clip. Now tap into the overlay clip and please take a look on this bottom feature again and slide this feature into the left side until you find mask here, and you just need to tap it. Now you just need to pick the shape. I will let you use the circles, and you just need to place these circles into the nearest area that you want to use. Now the next thing you need to do is just go resizing the circles by just pinch with two of your finger in the outer part of the shapes, and right after that you just need to click the checklist button after you're done. Now drag the overlay clip so that the layer will be covered the person. And now here is the result. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.